Hi guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creator. This is Ashwathi. After a very long time, we are gonna do Nykaa haul, and I've got few of these items during the sale, recent sale. So I got it in good sale, and few of them I have already got it before. So it is in MRP, it is not in sale. So I will be randomly picking up the products and showing you guys, and I'll be mentioning the price on somewhere over here because I do not clearly remember its exact price right now because it's been a while I have bought it, and I didn't do a video till now because I was not in a good mood to film videos and all, and I took a break for almost 1 week. That's the reason I forgot its price and sale price. So without any delay, let's get started. This time I have bought quite a lot of product. It is quite a lot of product for me. It might not be a lot of product for some of you guys, but then for me it's a huge purchase because I do not purchase a lot of makeup and skincare altogether. So I purchase once in a while, that too not a lot actually. So the very first product I'm going to show you guys is this Himalaya Herbals Refreshing Clarifying Toner for all skin type, and it is alcohol free. I usually do not use toner except for my DIY rose water, and nowadays I feel that that is not enough for my skin, so I thought that I will start using toner. And not just that, this particular toner was having good review. So it actually retails for 83 rupees for 100 ml, and I got it for 68 rupees, which is a very good deal. And I have used it quite some time, maybe 2 or 3 times, and it's okay. Even after washing my face, we can see that when I clean with this particular toner, I could see a little bit more dirt in that cotton pad, so it does a good job in cleaning our face. This next thing I got is this Blue Heaven Walk Free Waterproof Long Lash Mascara, and it says that it is length and volume, base to tip curl, visible lift, long wearing results, smudge proof. It's a lot, you guys. It claims a lot, and it retails for 125 rupees, and I got it around 80 rupees. Blue Heaven was having very good sale. So anyways, I'm planning to do Blue Heaven ka one brand makeup look. So in that I'll be in detail telling you guys review about this. So next one I got is a hyped product in YouTube, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and it is perfect for sensitive skin. It removes makeup, cleanses, and used on face, eyes, lips, and there is no perfume, no alcohol. It is dermatologically tested, and it retails for 175 rupees for 125 ml. It didn't had any discount, but I still got it because I want to use a makeup remover, especially for removing my liquid lipstick. I usually remove my makeup with oil, and oil does a good job, but then for removing liquid lipstick, especially that stubborn liquid lipstick which is very long lasting, it does take some time to remove with oil. That's the reason I thought of trying any makeup remover. This is Vaseline Intense Care Spray Moisturizer. So this is a very normal moisturizer, Vaseline moisturizer. The only difference is in this packaging, and what the difference is, it is spray moisturizer. I have used it, so it is convenient. When we turn to right, it opens up, and when we turn to left, it closes. So I'll just show you guys. We need to keep a distance of 4 inches and then just spray. See, this is how it is, and then we can just massage it into our skin. That's it. It actually retails for 310 rupees, and I got it for 180 rupees, so it was a huge discount. So that's the reason I got it. Anyways, I like the moisturizer, and also the packaging is pretty good. I liked this spray moisturizer thing. It's nice. This is Blue Heaven Acetone Free Nail Paint Remover. So basically all we need to do is open it and just put our finger inside and twist it. In that way it will remove nail paint, which is very convenient and easy. I always love this kind of nail paint remover, and it was actually for 65 rupees, and I got it for some 50 rupees I guess. Again, this was, as I said, Blue Heaven was having good discount, and as a nail paint remover it does work pretty well. What is this? I haven't opened this packaging till now. So this is Pantene Pro V oil replacement, and I have been using this for a long time. I think more than 5 to 6 months from the time they have launched this, and I like this product very much. This is my 3rd tube. It is very good, guys. As a leave-in conditioner, it is very good product, and it didn't had any discount. It retails for 150 rupees, and for 150 rupees I think it's worth, so I bought this. Next thing I got is again nail polish remover. I ordered this one first, and then I got to see Blue Heaven nail paint remover. So if I have seen that before, I would have only ordered that Blue Heaven one, but then it's okay. This is again a good nail polish remover. I have been using this for quite some time and I like it. It's an okay product. This one is Miss Claire nail paint, and I absolutely love Miss Claire nail paint, particularly this one, because this is quick dry. And as it says, it is quick dry. It dries out so quickly, and not just that, they have got really nice shades with them, and this retails for 60 rupees. Trust me guys, you need to try this, and I really love this shade. It's really good. This is Wet and Wild powder brush, and it retails for 299 rupees, and it didn't had any discount. Actually, Wet and Wild products were having huge discount except for this brushes. I actually wanted to get foundation brush, but then it is always out of stock. And even this powder brush is most of the time out of stock, but when I got to see it is in stock, I just grabbed it. It is so soft, you guys, and as you guys can see, it is so beautiful, but the problem is that it's gonna stain, it is gonna get dirty, so that's the only problem. And apart from it, it's a very good powder brush. And again I got one more brush, and this brush is from Pack, and this is actually a foundation brush. This is Pack large flat top kabuki brush in number 252. You guys must have already seen me using this brush, because I have used this brush for the very first time in my Onam makeup look, and this is my very first kabuki brush, and I thought of getting it from Pack itself because Pack is a very good brand. I really want to try their foundation because they have got wide variety of shades. I do not find any Pack products in Goa, so I can't really try out their foundation, and that's a problem. I'm a little skeptical about getting it online because it's a little expensive. I think it is 700 or 800. When I'm spending good amount of money on foundation, I want it to match my skin tone. I do not doubt about the quality because I've heard so many people just raving about this product, this particular foundation. So next time when I go to Kerala, I'll be surely going to Lulu Mall and trying out Pack foundation, and then I'll be buying foundation for sure. And coming back to this one, this is a very good brush. It blends the foundation really well. One thing I liked about this brush is that it doesn't soak up a lot of product. I think brushes really doesn't soak up a lot of product. It definitely gives better coverage than that of makeup sponges, but then it is a little expensive. I think it's for 650 rupees. It might not be expensive for some people, but then I do not mind spending money if it's worth. So I got one lipstick from Wet and Wild, and it actually retails for 120 or 130 rupees, and I got this just because I want to do a one brand makeup look on Wet and Wild as well. So very soon one brand makeup look on Blue Heaven as well as Wet and Wild will be coming very soon. So this is a very creamy lipstick, and it doesn't stay for a very long time, maybe for just 2 hours. One more thing I need to tell you guys is that there's some problem with this like packaging. Sometimes this bulletin doesn't just come out, sometimes it does come out, so it depends. I think I got some wrong product, so it's okay, I can work with it. Again from Wet n Wild, I got this pressed compact powder in the shade tan beige. I think this is the darkest shade, one of the darkest shade. One thing I really like about Wet n Wild is that they do have shades for dusky skin tone as well, whether it is foundation or compact powder, even contouring, everything. They have got shade for dusky skin tone as well. And I absolutely love the foundation. I have already done a detailed review including wear test in one of my vlogs, so if you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out. That's the reason I was really excited to try this product out, and I should say that it was absolute fail. I didn't like it at all. Our compact powder is so hard that the product doesn't just come out, and also even if it does come out, it doesn't have any coverage at all. So I do not expect even a medium coverage from a compact powder, but then definitely we do expect a very light, at least a sheer coverage from a compact powder. It doesn't have that. It doesn't have any coverage at all. Only thing it does is that it kind of mattifies, which is good. It does retail for 350 and I got it for 300 rupees. So this product was an absolute fail for Nykaa. These are lip products and I got these some time back, actually maybe 1.5 months back. Absolute nudes for all skin tone. And the very first one I'm going to show you guys is this Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and this is the shade Hot Coca. So this is a very normal bullet lipstick which has got magnetic packaging. So packaging wise is really good. It's a very nice brown movie shade. It's gonna suit all skin tone. It's a very nice nude shade. As it says, it is definitely of matte finish. It's gonna last easily for 3 to 4 hours. For the price, I wouldn't say this is worth, but then it is okay lipstick. And next lipstick I have is Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. And I think this particular liquid lipstick has got two extent ka review. That is, some people say that they absolutely love it, some people say that they hate this product. There is a little bit controversy that they have copied Steakworky's packaging, because Steakworky has got exactly the same packaging and they have launched 2 or 3 years back. And let us keep that aside, and talking about this particular shade from Nykaa, this is gorgeous shade, there is no doubt about it. It's really nice shade. It is true nude and it is gonna suit dusky skin tone really well. It is very light on lips. It retails for 500 something. I think it's for 525, and for the price we pay, I don't think it is the best product. Comparing it to Steakworky lipstick, I feel that Steakworky is much better than Nykaa liquid lipstick. But one thing we should mention here is that Nykaa is cruelty free, preservative free, paraben free, but then my final thought about this product is that it is not worth for the money. That is there for sure. And next lip product we do have with us is this Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Jade Rose number 11. Such a pretty shade, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous shade, and this is gonna suit all skin tone, and it is very comfortable on lips. It's so creamy, but the problem is that since it is so creamy, it is gonna break very frequently. It is somewhere around 600. And the very last product is this Nykaa BB cream, and I was so freaking excited to try this out because this has got 5 shades. In affordable range, brands come up with one single shade or maximum 3, not more than that, and they would completely ignore dusky and deeper skin tone. Yes, of course, 5 shades are nothing when we look up the fact that India has got such a variety of skin tone people, and I have tried it 1 or 2 times, and I'll be giving a separate review about this, and that video will be coming up pretty soon, so wait for that. So that's it, guys. These were the products I have bought. Really hope this video has been helpful for you all, and if you want review of any of these particular products, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, I'll be doing this Nykaa BB cream review pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Bye.